Yo guys, what's up? It's me. You guys ever see this error encountered? We try, it won't be fixed, and you also, if you just search services like this, wait, and then let's go to W, then search for Windows Update. We won't get it because it's just nowhere to be found. So how to fix that, and how can we update Windows? Having that, it's very easy. It's a very two steps. I'm gonna give this in the description. This one, you gotta do one thing. The chart pluser, reg edit. There, yes. I'm gonna also give this to the description. Easy way to go in. Then search for only one thing. Click W after pressing one of the folders, anyone. Then we're gonna search for WUA user V. Well, basically it's the WEA user V. We're just gonna search for that. Wait, let me search for that. Well, though, if it's nowhere to be found, it will be more easy for us to just gotta cut this, right click, merge, run. Yes, yes, okay. That's done. So now we're gonna do is command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Yes. So I got this for you guys. Copy the whole thing. Control plus A, Control plus C to copy. You can cut this. Just paste here by pressing Control plus V, and it's success. So we just gotta exit this shit and then it's done. Trust me, it is very easy. um yeah, if you want to check, let's go to services. You can go like this, or we can just search in the start tab. Okay, let's wait. We press action, then refresh full screen. We're gonna search for the Windows update and we're gonna get that easily. Here it is. It was nowhere to be found, now it's here, so it's very easy. You gotta do this, start with like activate running and I cut it. Yeah, if you want to check there too, we can check that too. Update on security, take it the full screen. Let's wait. PC is a little slow. Gonna retry. Just wait for a few moments and we'll see updating. It's very easy. We just gotta do that two steps and it's too freaking easy. It mostly happens because your drivers, I don't know, hard drive may be corrupted or something else, but there is a way to fix this, just like how I did. But yeah, it could, like, if you restart the PC, if you don't find that, do it again and it will work again, so it doesn't matter unless you have it. I mean, if it's for fully updated, you gotta just check that. See, it's still loading, so we're sure it works. um yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. For information, do that for email edit.